three sons discussed the gifts they were able to give to their aged mother. The first said, "I built a big house for our mom." The second said, "I sent her a Mercedes with a driver." The third said, "I have beaten you both. You remember how Mom enjoyed the Bible? And you know she can't see very well any longer. I sent her a unique parrot that recited the entire Bible. He is one of a kind." Soon, Mother writes letters. "Milton, the house you built is very huge. I live only in a room, but I have to clean the whole house." Gerald, "I'm too old to travel anymore. I stay at home most of the time, so I rarely use the car." Then, "Dearest Donald, you have the good sense of knowledge what your mother likes. The chicken was delicious.